Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Good morning. Hope you are safe and sound. Our today's topic is doubles, and the subtopic is doubling patterns. Challenge book, page number 40. So take out your challenge book and open page number 40 and get ready. Doubles. Doubles means add a number to itself. Or we can say doubling is multiplying a number by 2. For example, 2 4 times 8. Double of 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Learning objective. Students will be able to explore patterns produced by doubling, explore number problems and puzzles. So these are the learning objectives for today. Today we are going to find out the doubling patterns, how to double the numbers in doubling patterns. Anticipation. Double the number and circle the correct answer. We have two numbers here. First one is 40 and here are options in the bracket 70, 80 and 90. We have to find out which one is correct. What is the double of 40? 40 means 4 tens. So the double of 4 tens is, now put 4 tens in your mind and count on 4 more, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. Stop. The answer is 8 tens. So I'm going to circle 80. 8 tens means 80. Double 26. What is the double of 26? Here are three options, 48, 13 and 52. And the simple way of doubling the number to multiply it by 2 or add this number to itself. So we will add this number to itself. 26 into 26. Put the values, extreme right digit 1, then tens. So they are tens. 2 tens plus 2 tens. Answer is 4 tens. Done. And 6 plus 6. 6 ones and 6 ones. Put 6 in mind. Now count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 12. So 4 tens and 4 tens means 40 plus 12. The answer of ones. The answer is 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. The answer is 52. So I'm going to circle 52 here. We can multiply 26 by 2. The other way is that. Now your day and date slide. On the extreme left top, you write Monday. In the center class word. On the extreme right top, today's date 12th April, 2021. And you write your day and date on challenge book, page number 40 in a proper way. Topic is doubling patterns. You can see here is a grid and there are columns here. Numbers are written here. We will find the doubles of each number present here in columns. And at the end, we will give the answer of the given question. I made the slides for you for this grid. First, we will recall the topic. Remember, to double a number, add it to itself or multiply the number by 2. Now hint. How to do this work? Here is the hint. Partition numbers into tens and ones, double the tens and double the ones. Add them together to find double the original number. Look for numbers that have already been doubled. So look and see. The first column is done for you. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Double of 8. Double of 8 is 16. Double of 16 is 32. 32 double is 64. 64 double is 128. First one column has done for you. And in the last column, only first two has done. 10. Double of 10 is 20. Now we have to complete all the other columns here. So get ready. I made a slide here. Now we will start with the 2. And we will complete the column first. Right? So double of 2. Put 2 in your mind and count on 2, or you can read the 2 times table. 2 times? Yes. 2 times? 4. So double of 2 is 4. Now we have 4 here. Now we have to find the double of 4. 4 into 4. Yes, count on. 4 in mind. Now count on. 1 more 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Now, double of 8. You can multiply it with 2 also. So I can read the table of 2 8 times. To 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6, to 4 times 8, to 5 times 10, to 6 times 12, to 7 times 14, to 8 times? Yes, it is 16. Done. Now, we'll complete this column first. Now, we have a number here 16. So, what is the double of 16? We write here. Now, this is a rough column page here. Double of 16. We can add 16 into 16. Add the number to itself. Put ones and tens. First add the ones. 1 10, 1 10, 2 tens. Then add the ones. 6 and 6. 6. Now count down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 12. Now 2 tens and 12. Or 2 tens means 20. So 20 plus 12. The answer is 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. The answer is 32. So, double of 16 here is 32. Now, what is the double of 32? Again, we write 32 plus 32. Put the place value ones and tens. Ones and tens. Now add the tens. 3 tens and 3 tens. 6 tens. 2 plus 2, 4. 6 tens plus 4. 6 tens means 60. 60 plus 4. Answer is 64. So, double of 32 is 64. Done. Now, we have to find out the double of 64. Or we can multiply 2 also. So, the number is 64. Let me multiply it by 2. Put the values first. First, multiply the 2 with ones. How many ones are there here? 4. So, read the table of 2 to 1 times 2 to 2 times 4 to 3 times 6 to 4 times 8. Now, multiply the 6 tens with 2. To 1 times 2 to 2 times 4 to 3 times 6 to 4 times 8 to 5 times 10 to 6 times 12. So, double of 64 is 128. And you will write 128 down the column. Down in the column. Now, what is the double of 128? Let me write 128. Again, we add the number to itself, 128. Put the values in the extreme left. Right digit, you write ones. The first digit, we write O. For the next digit, we will write T for tens. On the next digit, we write H for 100. Same here. Now, we add the hundreds. 100 and 100. Answer is 200. Now, add the tens. 2 tens and 2 tens. 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. Now, 8 plus 8. 8 ones and 8 ones. 8 in your mind. Now, count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Answer is 16. Now, add these numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 2 is as it is. So, double of 128 is 256. Let me write it neatly. I have not much space. You can write it very neatly in your notebook. 256. So, 256. Now, we have done one column of 2. Now, the turn of 3. We have to double the 3's. Now, 3 plus 3. Add the number to itself. 3 plus 3. The answer is very simple. 6. Now, double of 6. 6 in your mind. Now, count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Double of 6 is 12. Now, double of 12. Again, we use the rough work page here. 12 plus 12. Put the values ones and tens. Add the tens. 1 10 and 1 10. 2 tens. That means 20. 2 plus 2, 4. Now add these numbers. 0 plus 4, 4 and 2. The double of 12 is 24. Now, what is the double of 24? So, we can do the rough work again. Double of 24. So, we have to find out the double of 24. 24 plus 24. Again, put the place value ones and tens. Ones and tens. Now, add the tens first. 2 tens and 2 tens, 4 tens, that means 40. Now add the ones, 4 plus 4, 8. And 40 plus 8, answer is 48. So double of 24 is 48. Now again we have to double the 48. So double of 48, we will do the rough work again. Double of 48, 48 plus 48. Put the place values. I am telling you the simple way. Now add the tens first. 4 tens plus 4 tens. 4 in your mind, now count on 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. Now 8 plus 8, 8 in your mind. Now count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is 16. Now add these two numbers. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. So double of 48 is 96. Now we have to find out the double of 96. Again we will do the rough work. 96 plus 96. Again put the place values. Now add the tens. 9 tens and 9 tens. Put 9 in your mind. Now count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 18 means 18 tens. Right? So we will write 18 tens. 180. Now add 6 plus 6. 6 in your mind. Now count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 12. Now add them. 0 plus 2, 2, 8 plus 1, 9 and 1. The answer is 192. So double of 96 is 192. Okay, we have done now the last one box, the double of 192. Now we have to find out the double of 192. We can also multiply it by 2. Let's check this. Put the place value ones, tens and 100. Now multiply the ones first to 1 times 2 to 2 times 4. Now multiply the tens to 1 times 2 to 2 times 4 to 3 times 6 to 4 times 8 to 5 times 10 to 6 times 12 to 7 times 14 to 8 times 16 to 9 times 18. Exactly. In 18 we have 8 ones and 1 10. So we will sorry, in 18 we have, these are 18 tens. 18 tens means, yes, 18 tens means 180. So we can put the tens in tens and 100 in 100 as a carry. Right? Now multiply the 2 with 1. 100 to 1 time 2. So 2, 100 multiplied by 2, answer is 200. And add one more 100. 200 plus 100 is 300. So we will write 300 here in the value, under the value of hundreds. So double of 192 is 384. And we will write 384 in the last box. Now we have done 2 columns here. First one has done for you. Now we have done 2. Now we have done 3. Now I'm going towards 4. So double of 4. Or you can read the 2 tables till 4 times. To 1 times 2 to 2 times 4 to 3 times 6 to 4 times 8. So double of 4 is 8. Now double of 8. 8 in your mind. Now count on one more 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So double of 8 is 16. Now after getting the 16, we have to double the 16. So again, we use the rough work. 16 plus 16. Put the place value on each number. Now add the tens. 110 and 110, 2 tens. That means 20. Now 6 plus 6. The answer is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Answer is 12. Now add both numbers. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So double of 16 is, yes, 32. So we will write 32 under the 16. After getting the 32, we move downward in the column, the double of 32. So we will use the rough work first. 32 plus 32. We are adding the same number to itself. Put the place value. Now add the tens first. 3 tens and 3 tens. 6 tens. That means 60. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Simple. Now add them. 0 plus 4, 4 and 6 is as it is. So double of 32 is 62. 4. So we will write 64 down to 32 in the column. Now the next box, now we have to double the 64. So we again use the rough work column. 64 plus 64. Put the place values. Now add the tens first. 6 tens and 6 tens. 6 in your mind, now count on. 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens, 11 tens, 12 tens. 12 tens means 120. Now add the ones. 4 plus 4, answer is 8. Now add them. 0 plus 8, 8, 2, 1. So double of 64 is 128. Now I'm writing 128 under 64. 128. The double of 64. Now we move downwards to the next box. Double of 128. So again we use the rough work. 128 plus 128. Put the place values, ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundred. Now add the hundreds. 100 and 100, 200. 2 tens and 2 tens. 4 tens means 40. Now 8 ones and 8 ones. 8 ones and 8 ones. The answer is, yes, it's 16. So I'm writing 16 here. If you want to check it, put 8 in your mind. Now count on 1 more 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is 16. Now add the ones, 0, 0 and 6. The answer is 0 plus 0 plus 6, 6. 4 ones, 4 tens plus 1 tens, 5 tens and 2 is this. So double of 128 is 256. Under 128, we will write 256. Now in the next box, under 256 box, we will find the double of 256. Again we use the rough work. 256, we can multiply it also by 2. Put the place values. Now 2 multiply by 1, 6 ones, to 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6, to 4 times 8, to 5 times 10, to 6 times, yes, it's 12. In 12, 2 is ones and 1 is tens. So we put 2 in ones and give 1 carry to tens. Now multiply the 2 by 5. To 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6, to 4 times 8, to 5 times 10. 10 and 1 carry 11 tens. In 11 tens, there are 110 and 100. So we'll give 100 as carry. And we write 1 here. This one we write here. And this one will give it carry to 100. Now, multiply the 100 with 200 with 2. To 1 times 2, to 2 times 4. So when you multiply 200 with 2, you get 400. And 100 is carry. We add that carry in it. 400 plus 1, 500. So double of 256 is 512. So we will write 512 under 256. 512. Done. Now we have done first 3 columns. Now we are moving towards our next column, that is of 5. Now double of 5, or you can read 2 times table to 5 times. To 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6, to 4 times 8, to 5 times, exactly, it's 10. Now double of 10, 1 10, add 1 more 10, the answer is 2 tens. That means 20. Now double of 20, 2 tens plus 2 tens, 4 tens. And 4 tens means 40. Again, double of 4 tens. 4 tens in mind, now count 4 more. 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. The answer is 8 tens. That means 80. Now double of 80. Put 8 tens in your mind. Now count down in tens. 8 more tens. 8 tens in mind. Now I'm counting on 9 tens, 10 tens, 11 tens, 12 tens, 13 tens, 14 tens, 15 tens, 16 tens. 16 tens means 160. Now double of 160. We can again use the rough work, put the place values. Now add the hundreds, the biggest value, 100, 100, 200. Now add the tens, 6 plus 6, simple, it's 12, 12 tens. So 12 tens means 120. Now 0 plus 0, 0. So add them, zeros, 2, 3. So double of 160 is 320. So we write 320 under 160. Let me write it neatly. Done. Now under the 320 box, we will double the 320. So again we use rough work, 320 plus 320. Now add them, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6. So double of 320 is 640. Let me write it neatly. I have not much space, but you have space. You should write very neatly. Now we have done the next column. Now we are moving towards our column of 6. Now we have to double 6 first. Then after getting the answer, we again double that answer. So double the 6, or you can read the 2 times table 6 times, to 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6, to 4 times 8, to 5 times 10, to 6 times 12. Now double of 12, we already done here. Double of 12, here you can see double of 12 is 24. Now double of 24, we already done. Yes, it's 48. Now work is very easy. Mostly we have done. Now done. Now we can see from the chart also the double of 48. You can see the double of 48 is exactly, the double of 48 is 96. We can follow that column. Now double of 96 we have done, 192. Now double of 192 again we have done here, 384. Now double of 384 is not done here, so we can do it. Double of 384, we use the rough work column. We add the same number to itself, put the place values. Now add the answer, 100, 300 and 300. Answer is 3, 4, 5, 6, 600. 600. Now 8 tens and 8 tens, 8 in your mind. Now count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 tens. 16 tens means 160. Now add the ones, 4 and 4, 8. So add them, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, plus 8, 8, 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 1, it is, yes, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. So double of 384 is 768. We write in the last column, last box of this column. Done. Now, how many columns we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the 7th column, double of 7. Put 7 in your mind. Now count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Double of 7 is 14. Now, double of 14, 14 in your mind, or you can add 14 into 14. Put the place value, ones and tens, 110 and 110, 2 tens, 20, 4 plus 4, 8. So 20 plus 8, the answer is 20. So double of 14 is 28. So what is the double of 28? Again, we will use the rough work column. 28 plus 28 plus 28. Again, put the place values. Add the tens, 2 plus 2 tens plus 2 tens, 4 tens, that means 40. 8 plus 8, 8 in your mind. Now count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is 16. Now add them. 0 plus 6, 6, 4, 1 plus 5. The answer is 56. So double of 28 is 56. Let me write 56 here. Now down. So what is the double of 56? We will find out here in the rough work column. 56 plus 56. Put the place values first. Now add the tens. 5 tens plus 5 tens. 5 in your mind. Now count in tens. 6, 7, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. That means 100. Now 6 plus 6, 6 in your mind. Now count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now add them. 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1. 112. So double of 56 is 112. So here we write 112. So what is the double of 112? Again, we use the rougher column. 112 plus 112. Put the place values. Now add the hundreds first, the biggest value. 1 plus 1, 200. 110 plus 2, 110. 2 tens, 20. 2 plus 2, 4. Now add them. 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. 2 plus 0, 2 and 2. So double of 112 is 224. Done. Now the double of 224. In the next box we will find the double of 224. Use the rougher column. 224, 224. Put the place value. So 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So double of 224 is 448. Done. In the last box we will find the double of 448. 448 plus 448. Put the place values. 1, tens and 100. Now ones, tens and 100. So 4 hundreds and 400, total is 800. 4 tens and 4 tens, 8 tens, 80. 8 plus 8, 16. Now add them. 0 plus 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus 1, 9 and 8. So double of 448 is 896. Done. Now we are moving towards our next column, that is 8. Now double of 8. Put 8 in your mind and find the double of 8. And we can also done here double of 8. Double of 8 is, yes, it's written is 16. Now double of 16 we have already done here. It's 32. Then double of 32 again we have done here. Double of 32 is 64. So we will write 64 here. Now double of 64. What is the double of 64? You can see it's 128. Now our work is easy because we have done some numbers here. And we will continue with it that. Now I'm moving towards our next column because we have not much time and you will complete the work by yourself. Now double of 9. Put 9 in your mind and you count on one more 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So double of 9 is 18. Now double of 18. Now put 18. We can use the rough work here. 18 plus 18. Ones and tens, ones and tens. Add tens, 110, 110, 2 tens, 20, 8 plus 8, 16. So double of 18 is 36. So double of 18 is 36. And you will continue this work. Now if you find the double of 36, then the double of the next number. You can continue this work like that. Now the last column, the double of 10. You can see double of 10 is done here. 110, 110, 210. Now double of 20, 210 plus 2 tens. Answer is 4 tens. 4 tens plus 4 tens, 8 tens. And you will continue this column by adding the number to itself or multiplying it by 2. And you will complete this task by yourself. And this is your answer key. You can check your answers from here. Now, look at the pattern made by the numbers. What do you notice? So what do you notice about these numbers? You can see the ending number of each number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are ending on these numbers. So this means they are all even numbers. So we will write here each of these answers are even numbers. What they are even numbers. And we can also say they are the multiples of 4. So all these numbers are also multiples of 2. So this will this thing you will write here in the downward part. All these numbers are multiples of 2 and all these numbers are even numbers. Now we are moving towards a plenary. Double the following numbers. Double of 50. 5 tens and 5 tens. The answer is very simple. 10 tens, that is 100. So double of 122. Add 122 it itself. 2 plus 2 4. 2 plus 2 4 and 1. 1 and 1 2. So double of 122 is 254. Now double of 400. 400 add 4 more 100. 5 and 6 and 700 800. So double of 400 is 800. Now that's it for today. Inshallah we'll meet in the next lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.